2012 Acura TSX. Still got the factory converter there, secondary, and a manifold up there. Then we left the resonator on it, right there. Then it's 2 1/4 into 2-inch pipe out the back. We did a muffler delete, one there and one there, into 4-inch tips. Double wall stainless steel, right there and right there. There's the 2 mufflers we took off. Again, it's an Acura TSX. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. See how it sounds. Again. There's the sound decibels. Again. At its peak, it's 110. 110 sound decibels. Back it up. And it's really pretty too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh yeah. Again? One more time? Oh yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Sure, go beast mode. You ready to drop yours off?
Yeah, you go without me. Oh. All right.
Oh, are we doing yours next?
Yeah, I'm leaving mine.
Heck yeah!